In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust your pinpoint on the DoorDash app. This can be particularly useful if you've moved to a new location or if delivery drivers are having trouble locating your exact address. So let's dive right in and make sure your deliveries arrive at the right spot every time. First, you'll want to open the DoorDash app on your smartphone. If you're not already logged in, make sure to enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're in, you should see the main screen of the app. Now locate the address drop-down icon typically found at the top of the screen. This icon is your gateway to managing your delivery address settings. Go ahead and click on the address drop-down icon. This will display a list of stored addresses if you have multiple locations saved. If your current address is not perfect, that's what we're here to fix. Next to the address you wish to modify, there's a pencil icon symbolizing the edit function. Click on this pencil icon to proceed. This action will direct you to a screen where you can see more details about your selected address. Within this new window, you'll find an option labeled Adjust PIN. It's a useful feature to ensure that the delivery driver knows exactly where to go. Click on Adjust PIN to access the map interface, where you can manually pinpoint your precise location. Now you're on the map view. What you'll want to do here is zoom in and drag the pin to the exact spot you want your orders delivered. Maybe it's a specific building entrance, a side gate, or any other identifiable location that can reduce delivery hiccups. Make sure you take your time here, ensuring that the pin accurately reflects your intended drop-off point. Once you've satisfactorily adjusted the pin to reflect your real-world location, it's time to save this information so it's ready to use the next time you place an order. To do this, simply click the Save button. This saves your pin adjustments to your account so you won't have to repeat this process every time you place an order. And there you have it. Your saved address within DoorDash now accurately reflects your chosen location. This small adjustment can significantly improve your DoorDash experience, ensuring that drivers have no trouble finding you, reducing delivery time, and ensuring that your food arrives fresh and on time. Remember, getting the most out of any app is a matter of understanding its features and how to adapt them to meet your needs. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide helped make your DoorDash experience even smoother. Happy ordering!